I'm back at it. This is Sean Casilli with Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate here in Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're at 7025 Beach Drive, zip code 32408. Let me show you a little bit of the neighborhood. This is new construction that we're going to be taking a preview of right here. It was recently completed. Lot size is 50 by 115, so that's 115 by 50. Golf cart friendly community. As we just saw someone go by. I will take you for a little drive down how I would go to the beach in a minute, but for now, let's pop inside this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Welcome home. As I said, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1681 square feet. As we walk in the entryway, we take a right, and there's a bathroom right here with a shower and tub. Front bedroom overlooking the front yard out of these two lovely windows here. Looks like they're getting ready to build another piece of new construction directly across the street. So you'll have a nice home directly to view out your window here. Moving on to the second bedroom. And there is currently a vacant lot right next door. So Panama City Beach is booming. This will probably be a new home in no time. Back to our entryway, we have a little closet here, vacuum broom closet, and check out this living room. Kitchen, dining room. I love this. This actually reminds me so much of my home that I have, also built by the same builder. And I'm getting some ideas for my kitchen remodel. I love this backsplash, it looks great. We got some stainless steel appliances, all set, ready to go. A plug in the side of the center island here that overlooks your living room. Tray ceiling. Awesome fixtures. Got a nice view of the backyard. And you see those condos? That's where the beach is. If you wanted to take a walk, you can only imagine how long it would take. As I said, we'll do a little simulated drive here in a minute. If you wanted to take your golf cart, Richard Seltzer Park is so close by. This is the master bedroom. Again, tray ceiling. And the master bath. Doesn't look like there's this much space, but look at all that space you got in there. Let's take a look at the garage real quick. Right here off the kitchen, we got our laundry area. And then our lovely 2-car garage. We got our storage area up here, water heater right there, storm protection, reinforced garage door. This builder thought of everything. We do have the Centricon termite protection already done. Surrounding the home, looks like we have a neighborhood mouser. Excellent space for grilling, enjoying the afternoons out here. What a cool spot. Feel that ocean breeze. So as you can see right here, we got golf cart crossing right here, the entrance of Richard Seltzer Park. This has been Sean Casilli with Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate in Panama City Beach, Florida. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour and the lovely walk down to the beach and the sugar sands behind me. I cannot wait to show you this home and this beautiful beach. Contact information below. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Watch the playlist for more home tours in this area. Catch you next time.